Hello, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be focusing on IDEs. What is the most efficient way to set up your IDE? What is the best way, the fastest way to set up your IDE? So first of all, what is an IDE? An IDE is short for Integrated Development Environment. That's what programmers use to program their softwares. So many people are going to give you tutorials about this, how to set up the IDEs. They're going to show you how to set it up on Visual Basic or Sublime Text or maybe Atom and other text editors. For now on, I've seen many people do this mistake. They use a very advanced IDE. They don't know how to set it up. They get demotivated and they leave it. This tip is for absolute beginners. So if you're not a beginner, you should probably not watch this video. You might watch this if if you don't have a very powerful PC and you want to use your Wi-Fi strength as an IDE, or maybe um you're on your friend's PC and you need a remote IDE because it's gonna take a lot of time to download something and then download the specific languages you want and adding them to path, and many people just don't get that. So I'm not saying those IDs are not useful. They are the best, and almost all professionals use them, but this is the fastest and the best way to get started. So let's see what we have to do. So this is a normal Google Chrome. So here's type repl.it. This is a website which gives you a remote IDE on another service computer. How does it work? Okay, code and collaborate without friction. Use our free collaborative in-browser IDE to code in 50 plus languages without spending a second on setup. So it's all free. Now we have two options over here: start coding or sign up. I would recommend you to sign up basically, because then you'll be able to save your progress and you can just sign in by your Google, GitHub or Facebook. If you're a programmer, you'll basically most of the time be using GitHub, but otherwise you can also do it with Google, Facebook, or just your email, any email that you haven't signed up. Just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm not going to do that for now because it's going to make it too long. So let's focus on how we can just start. Okay, so here we have to start coding and sign up. I've seen that this button has been a bit buggy over time, so I'm gonna use this one over here. Just my preference. You can try that. It doesn't work for me, so sometimes. So let's try this one. Start coding and then languages. So what language do you want? You see all these different languages, so many different languages. But we're just gonna stick with the first one here, Python. And we're gonna press create rebel. It says creating rebel created, and this is your IDE. Here's your console. Here's where you write your code. It's called main.py. You can change the name. You can do anything, whether it's that you can do with an IDE. So let's write our first line of code, which is basically for almost any developer. Hello world. That's how you print or you say hello world in Python. So you press run. It says hello world. You see how quick that is? Just for on the internet. So now what's the need of an IDE? You could do that on the command prompt. Well, you see, an IDE is pretty helpful, because you see, if I go and print, it gives us the definition of print. Prints the values to a stream or to, I'm not going to read that all, but you can basically. And the other thing it does is that it changes the color. For example, this is the text, it's orange. This is a command, it's print, and things like that. So that's it. You could just use the command prompt, but still you would have to download Python. So for example, I have that. I'm just gonna say Python, and I'm gonna say basically print hello world.
and it's gonna print hello world. One more thing, wait for one more thing. So that I wanted to show you. So when I try print and I give just press a single bracket, it gives me two brackets, so it's pretty helpful. If I press quotations, it gives me two quotations, so I can write inside it. So that's a neat feature. There are many other features, so you can try that out. But this is it for the video. If you like it, smash that like button. If you didn't like it, please dislike, and you could just if you mind, press the subscribe button. I mean, it's free, and you're gonna get tips like this almost every day. Bye.